Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in my English reading group. And dear students, today we will talk about the hard and soft sound of letter C. C says K, but C also says S. In the first circle, you can see that here C says K. For example, car, can, cub, color, cake, and so on. And in the second circle, here C says S. And dear students, C says S when it is followed by E, I and Y. For example, center, fancy, city, price, dice. And students, you can see here C is followed by E, I or Y. And in the middle of these circles, there is some common area, and here the words are written in blue color and they have both sounds of K and S. For example, circus, circle, cynical, concert, concern and cancel. So, dear students, now onwards, what you have to do? You have to check whether the word starting with letter C is followed by E, I and Y. Then you will pronounce those words with S. Hope you understand this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.